Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another episode of Beader. If this is your first time here with us, my name is Caitlin, and together we create simple, beautiful, and amazing jewelry and craft things in just a short amount of time. I like to show people that creativity doesn't have to take all day or all night. If you're having a lot of fun, it can, but it doesn't have to. You can find creativity and do things that you enjoy in just little amounts of time too in our busy world. Today, we are going to be making something that I am so excited about doing, bookmarks. There are so many different types of bookmarks to choose from, and then you can do whatever you want on the dangly part. So really, the world is your oyster when it comes to bookmarks. Today, I'm really excited about this celestial space sun bookmark that we have here. So I'm excited to show you all the process of adding charms to the dangly part of the bookmark, making something really cool. This would be a great Mother's Day gift as well if your mom is somebody who likes to read, or really a gift for anyone, or a gift for yourself. But before we jump in, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. A link to their website is in the description box below, and they are my supplier for all of the tools and materials that you see in my videos. And they've got some really cool bookmarks that you can choose from. You can pick your own theme and roll with that, so definitely check them out. And be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do that, shows me that you're enjoying my content and that you want to see more of it, and then we get to hang out all the time. Okay, let's jump into these bookmarks today. Step 1. The first thing you want to do today is gather your supplies and materials. You're going to need 2 sets of jump rings for opening and closing clasps, and then 1 set of clippers. Then you're going to need some jump rings, an eye pin. I have a little moon charm here because it's going to go with my theme really well. Then you're going to need a length of chain. And then I chose some of these blue, purpley, very sky celestial themed Mayuki seed bead drops. And then I have a Crystal Passions star here. And then, of course, you're going to need a bookmark. My sponsor has a lot of different kinds of bookmarks. Put out a variety here to show you. You can do gold or silver. You can use this like hooky kind, which the way these work is that you dangle something off of the edge here where that loop is. And when you're reading a book, and you slide your bookmark in, it sits like that, and the dangle dangles along the spine. Or you can use, this is a clip version of the same variety, so you slip that between some pages and the dangle hangs along the spine as well. So once you have chosen your bookmark and gathered all your supplies and materials, meet me back here and let's get started. Step 2. Today I chose this beautiful celestial themed bookmark. I'm so excited about it. I think it's super pretty. And I already found a piece of scrap chain that was the length that I wanted, so I'm not going to show you that step. So if you don't have a little piece of chain that's already the length you want, you're going to get some chain and clip it to where you'd like it. But I had a little piece of scrap that I love getting to put to use. Pieces that I didn't cut off of other projects or didn't use or whatever, so we're going to be using that today. And that is actually going to be our first step. So we are going to take our eye pin and we are going to slide it through the hole on our star, and we are going to treat this like we treat all other drops. You're going to take your pliers. It can be a little trickier when you got something that's spinning around a lot at a funny angle, so just take your time with it. Be careful not to put too much pressure against the crystal or the crystal will break as well. You're going to put the angle in it like we always do, and then you're going to grab your clippers and you're going to clip off the excess wire, and then grab your round nose pliers and go to the end, and we're just going to spin that back around to make a loop. And it kind of did some funny things on me spinning around, so I'm just going to straighten it out and make it look pretty, all of that. And now what we're going to do is we are going to open up the loop that we just made, and I'm going to slide the chain on like so, and then we are going to close that loop, making sure that the connection is secure so that the chain doesn't fall off. Now we're going to go to the other side of our eye pin. We're going to open that up, And we are going to slide our bookmark on and then give that a close. Again, making sure that that is a secure connection so nothing flies off. And there we have started our little bookmark here. Step 3. Now we are going to attach our moon to the other end. So I have one of these jump rings is slightly bigger than the others, and I'm going to take that jump ring here, and we are going to open it up and slide our moon on. And then we're going to slide it onto the other end of our chain here. And give that a close. And there we have it. And that is already really cute. If you wanted to make something really simple, that would be a great place to stop. But you know me, I love dangles and sparkles and all the fun things. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these little drops all the way down the chain. And we're going to do that with these little jump rings. So you are going to open up a jump ring and slide one of the little Mayuki drops on. And then you are going to go find a spot on your chain, any spot that suits your fancy, and give it a close. And now what you're going to do is add as many or as few of these little drops along your chain as you like. But this is totally up to your discretion. I'm just kind of going to place drops until I feel like I have enough to make my heart happy. And when you are all finished with that, meet me back here. And just like that, you have a gorgeous celestial bookmark. This would make a great gift for somebody. I hope you had so much fun getting to make it with me today and that you got to use your own fun creative juices. And just like that, you have a gorgeous celestial themed bookmark, or whatever theme you decided to go with today. Or maybe you don't have a theme, you just pulled a bunch of really cool charms together and made something pretty. That is awesome too. This bookmark is just so beautiful. I think that I'm going to give it to my mom for Mother's Day because my mom loves reading books, but I might have to make another one for myself because I really love it too. I hope that you enjoyed getting to make this with me today. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys in the comments, so please be sure to reach out. I try and respond to every single one that I get. And as always, don't forget to check out my sponsor, Fairmountain Gems and Beads. I hope that you're having a fun and fabulous week, and I will see you in the next one.